is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tyler Goes Fishing. I'm at a spot that I don't usually get to go to, but I love really good. It's a private pond near where my parents live, where I used to live. And I'm here with my old man. He's over in the distance. He's already gotten started. And I am excited for today because the water looks very good. Last time we were here a couple months ago, it was so muddy that you couldn't see like 2 inches, and we got skunked for the entire day. Nothing worked. Dark baits, light baits, chatter baits, nothing worked. But today the water's way clearer, so hopefully that means we can actually get something. So let's just get to it. All right, I think what I'm going to start off with today is this red squarebill crankbait. It doesn't have a rattle to it though, so it's silent, but I want to get myself a crankbait fish, so here we go. It's a decently cool day out today. It's about 40 degrees right now. It's supposed to get to about 50 in a couple hours. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Sun's supposed to be out though, so hopefully that'll warm us up a little bit, because my fingers are already freezing and I've been here about 4 seconds. So the water is so clear, I can see this bait a mile away. It's great. God, it's such a relief since last time. You couldn't even see like 2 inches last time. It was awful. There was heavy rains the days before we came here, so maybe we should have known that, but you know, it is what it is. My fingers are freezing, yeah. Fingers are freezing. Hot dang. Ooh, the sun is out and it is warming up my hands. Alright, that might be enough of the crankbait for today. Oh no. No! That's a hard one too. That's a hard snag. I've lost way too many Ned rigs this week. Hey! Did he say we were allowed to use the boat?
Yeah.
You wanna?
I hate to get wet. This is the slightest bit.
He says he'd hate to get wet. Alright, I switched up to a spinnerbait because the Ned rig wasn't doing jack, so. Oh, got one. Fish on. Ooh. Heck yeah. Calm down. Woo! Really dark spots on this spotted bass here. Nice. I switched to a spinnerbait. Then I let it sink pretty deep. It's pretty deep over here. Nice fish. Solid fish. Looks healthy. Solid. Picture time. All right, one more look at this little dude. Not gonna let him go. I don't know, a pound? Not very big. Well, where there's one, there's probably more. And Jesus Christ, it just got windy. It's pretty deep over here. Like, it goes down pretty quickly. I let the spinnerbait sink pretty far and then slowly reel it in. What'd you get? Sunfish, yeah. There's a couple of trees in the water over here. Big logs, tree trunks. I'm trying to fish around them. Oh, fish on! Oh, this one's better. Heck yeah. Had to make sure I was recording. Whee! Come here, buddy. Get over here. Oh, yeah. On a spinnerbait again. I think he's been caught a couple times. He's got a little bit of, he's got some tears. Yeah, that's a good fish. Heck yeah, boy. Let's go weigh him. .98. Oh, 202. 2. Okay, 2. 2 even. Let's go with that. All right, let's let this sucker go. Heck yeah, boy. Second fish of the day. There he goes. All right, ladies and gents, well, that was fish number 2 of the day on this cheapo spinnerbait. I'm pretty sure this is a $1 spinnerbait from Walmart. The skirt's screwing up a little bit here. See if I can fix that. Oh, there we go. Easy fix. But heck yeah. So yeah, that 2-pounder was right where we should be, right in the corner of this structure right here. He slammed the spinnerbait, chartreuse and orange. Let's see if we can get another one near this structure. I was actually coming over here to switch baits. I walked all the way close to where my dad is, walked all the way back, was about to walk back to my tackle bag and switch to something else. But I think this just made me way more confident in the spinnerbait. Fish. Got him. My drag's a little loose though, so I almost didn't get him. Woo, he's darting pretty good. Oh, right there, I see him. I need to tighten the drag.
What do you got on here, frog?
No, it's a jig with it's a black and blue jig with a craw imitation trailer. And my drag wasn't properly set. Yeah, so I was just throwing it on top of the sunken part of the dock and letting it fall off the edge, and he slammed it right there. And he got loose right here. That's a bummer. We've been in a dry spell for maybe an hour or so. Well, it's a good sign. At least it means they're biting something other than spinnerbaits. Largemouth, yeah. You want to weigh him? That little guy?
Yeah.
No, he's probably not even a pound.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
It's a bass.
yeah. There you go. Right on this right-hand side there.
Yeah. So between the two of us, that's 3 largemouths. And how many?
Four.
Almost 4. I missed one. How many panfish did you get over there?
3.
3 panfish?
White. Crappie.
Oh, white crappie?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. It's been a while since I've seen one of those. Decent size.
Not bad.
It's not bad size. Yeah. I think the biggest black crappie came out of here for me.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Biggest I ever saw anywhere.
Yeah, we didn't even know what it was until like 2 days later. You're like, I think that was a black crappie.
Yeah, it was huge.
Yeah. Oh, he's gone.
That's up this time.
Woo! You got one.
It's not as big as I thought. It's nice though. Yeah, taking my drag.
Taking drag.
Oh, nice bass.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Pretty good. Not real nice.
Oh, what pound test line do you have?
4, I think.
4? Oh, jeez.
Well, I should have brought my net.
I get him.
Maybe 2 pounds.
I'd say 1.5 pounds.
Pound and a half.
You want to figure it out?
Yeah.
I got it right on me. 1.67.
All right.
That was closer.
Still looks nice though.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, self-release. Uh-oh. He ain't gonna make it on his own.
Oh.
There he goes. So I got the biggest of the day so far. 2 pounds. You do have more fish though. If you count panfish, you got 6. Alright everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for us today. I didn't get skunked. I ended up with 2 bass, one 2 pounds, one 1 pound, and I'll consider that a huge success, actually. The old man ended up getting himself 2 bass as well. His largest was 1.67, if I remember correctly. He ended up also getting about 4 or 5 panfish with night crawlers on the bottom. So for a cold, windy day like this, I'll consider it a success. And maybe in a couple months it'll be way more popping as it usually is here. But that'll wrap it up for today. As usual, thank you for joining me, and peace out, guys. What's up, guys? Thanks again for watching this video. If you like this one, feel free to watch one of these 2 right here on your screen. I'd also like to take a minute to thank some of my more recent subscribers: The Fray Experience, Trip Fishing and My Life, Canadian Basserman, Fishing with Matt, Flat Out Bank Angling, and Utah Fishing Channel. Thanks, guys. Peace out.